Hello children, good morning. Amok, Samad, Pranav, Aryan, Pranav,
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning,
Ikra,
miss. Good morning, ma'am.
good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, miss. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, miss. Good morning, miss.
Good morning. Okay, now we will begin our class with prayer. Okay, join our hands. Yes, very good. Shuklam, Bharadaram, Vishnum, Shashivarnam, Chaturbhujam, Prasannavanam, Dhyaye, Sarva Vignopashantaye, Vakratunda, Mahakaya, Suryakoti, Samaprabha, Nirvignam, Kurume Devo, Sarvakareshu, Sarvada, Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha, Saraswati Namastubhyam, Varade Kamarupini, Vidyarambam Karishyami, Siddhir Bhavatu Sada, Namaste Sharada Devi, Kashmir Puravasini, त्वं नमः प्रार्थये नित्यं विद्यं बुद्धिं च देहि मे या देवी सर्वभूतेषु बुद्धिरूपेण समस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः ॐ स्वस्ति श्रद्धं मेधां यश प्रज्ञं विद्यं बुद्धिं श्रियं बलम् आयुष्यं तेज आरोग्यं देहि मे परमेश्वर देहि मे परमेश्वर देहि मे परमेश्वर. Oh God, help us to be good, to do to others as we should, not to hate, but to love. Send us peace from above. God bless Mummy. God bless Daddy. Help me always to make them happy. Very good, children. Okay, now we are going to learn English rhyme. Okay, you all open this book, Rhymes and Stories. Page number 13. Page number 13. The name of the rhyme is Once I Saw a Little Bird. Ready, children? You all repeat after me, okay? Once I saw a little bird. Once I saw a little bird. Once I saw a little bird come hop, hop, hop. Come hop, hop, hop. And I cried, little bird. And I cried, little bird. Will you stop, stop, stop? And was going to the window to say, how do you do? And was going to the window to say, how do you do? But he shook his little tail and far away he flew. Children, you all repeat after me, okay? Once I saw a little bird. Once I saw a little bird. Come, hop, hop. Come, hop, hop. And I cried, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? And was going to the window, and was going to the window to say, how do you do? But he shook his little tail and far away he flew. Very good. Once I saw a little bird. Once I saw a little bird come hop, hop, hop. And I cried, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? And was going to the window to say, how do you do? And but he shook his little tail and far away he flew. Once I saw a little bird. You all do action. Say this rhyme, children. Once I saw a little bird. Once I saw a little bird come hop, hop, hop. And I cried, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? And was going to the window to say, how do you do? But he shook his little tail, far away he flew. Once I saw a little bird come hop, 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 and I cried, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? And was going to the window to say, how do you do? But he shook his little tail and far away he flew. We will say one more time, okay, children? Once I saw a little bird come hop, 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 and I cried, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? And was going to the window to say, how do you do? But he shook his little tail and far away he flew. Once I saw a little bird come hop, 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 and I cried, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? And was going to the window to say, how do you do? But he shook his little tail and far away he flew. Once I saw a little bird. Once I saw a little bird come hop, 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 and I cried, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? And was going to the window to say, how do you do? But he shook his little tail andre bala. But he shook his little tail and far away he flew. Okay, children, now we are going to before, after, and in between. We will revise them. Okay. We are learned in previous class, no children. After, before, and in between. Okay. So today we will revise them. Okay. You all open this English primer book. Page number 36. Page number 36. Okay. Before, after, and in between. Before andre ಮೊದಲು, after andre ಆಮೇಲೆ. Before andre ಮೊದಲು ಇರೋದು, ಆಮೇಲೆ after andre ಆಮೇಲೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ in between ಅಂದ್ರೆ before ಮತ್ತೆ after middle ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದು in between. Okay. The children are at the bus stop. ಎಲ್ಲ children bus stop ಅಲ್ಲೇ ನಿಂತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay. His name Sam, and he is Ron, and she is Ria, and he is John, and she is Sarah. Okay, this is bus stop and this is school bus. Okay, Ron is standing before Ria. Where is Ron? Here no children. So where is Ron? Ron is standing before Ria. Ron is standing before Riya. Riyan ಕಿಂತ before ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರಿಯಾನ್ ಕಿಂತ ಮೊದಲು ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾನಲ್ಲ ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಯಾನ್ ಕಿಂತ ಮೊದಲು ಮೊದಲು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಿಫೋರ್ before. Ron is standing before Riya. Ron is standing before Riya. Okay. Next, Ron is standing after Riya. Sorry, Riya is standing after Ron. Riya is standing after Ron. Ron ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ರಿಯಾ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾಳಲ್ಲ ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಫ್ಟರ್. ಓಕೆ, Riya is standing after Ron. Riya is standing after Ron. Riya is standing after Ron. Okay. Next, Ron is standing in between Sam and Riya. Ron is standing in between Sam and Riya. Okay. Sam ಮತ್ತು Riya in between ಇದಾನಲ್ಲ Ron. Okay. Ron is standing in between Sam and Riya. Ron is standing in between Sam and Riya. Okay. Ron is standing before Riya, and Riya is standing after Ron. Okay. Riya is standing after Ron. Next, Ron is standing in between Sam and Riya. Okay. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಧ್ವನ ರೋನ್ is standing before Riya ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರಿಯಾನ್ ಕಿಂತ ಮೊದಲು ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಯಾ is standing after Ron. ರಿಯಾ is standing after Ron ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರಿಯಾ ರೋನ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾಳಲ್ಲ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರೋನ್ is standing in between Sam and Riya. ರೋನ್ ಸ್ಯಾಮ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ರಿಯಾ ಇನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಿಡಲ್ ಇರೋದು. Next, circle the correct answers. Circle the correct answers. Which motorbike is in between? Which motorbike is in between? This one, no children. So you have to circle this middle one. The in between ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಈ ಬೈಕ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ ಬೈಕ್ ಈ ಮೋಟರ್ ಬೈಕ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ ಮೋಟರ್ ಬೈಕ್ ಇನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ ಇದಲ್ಲ. You have to circle this one. Next, which pot is after the rabbit? Which pot is after the rabbit? Which one? After the rabbit. This one, no children. So you have to circle this one. This pot is after the rabbit. This pot is after the rabbit. You have to circle this. Next, who is standing before the old man? Who is standing before the old man? Look at this. This boy and this man. This boy and this man are standing this old man ಗಿಂತ ಮೊದಲಿದಾರಲ್ಲ ಯಾರಿದಾರ? ಈ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಮತ್ತ ಈ ಬಾಯ್ ಈ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಗಿಂತ ಮೊದಲಿದಾರ. ಹೌದು, ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೊದಲು ಯಾರು ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿದಾರ? ಈ ಬಾಯ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮ್ಯಾನ್. You have to circle this boy and this man. Okay, children, now we are going to learn new topic. Okay. You all open this page number 38. You all open this page number 38. My art room. My art room. Okay, my art room. Look at this. Look at the picture, children. Listen to the question and say the answers. Okay. Listen carefully, children. Okay. First one. Where are the children and their teacher? Where are the children and their teacher? In class. Okay. Where are the children and their teacher? In classroom. Okay. This is class. Okay. Next one is which pictures are drawn on the board? Board. Which pictures are drawn on the board? Apple, right? A-P-P-L-E, apple. Okay, next one is which letters match the pictures drawn on the board? Apple, right, children? A-P-P-L-E, apple. A-P-P-L-E, apple. Fourth one, how many children can you see in the picture? How many children? Tara, Ron, Tara, Ria, Maya, Ran, and John. There are 7 children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. There are 7 children. How many children can you see in the picture? 7 children. Okay, very good. Next, fifth one. What is Tara doing? What is Tara doing? Where is Tara? Here, no children. Yes. Tara is coloring the shape. Tara is coloring the shape. Okay. Next, sixth one. How many pictures of an apple can you see? How many pictures? Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. 5 pictures. 5 apple pictures. Okay. Next. What is Ron using the glue for? What is Ron using the glue for? Ron is using glue for pasting the apple picture. Okay. Ron is using glue for pasting the apple picture. Look at this, children. Okay. Next question. Next question. Has Maya completed drawing her picture? Has Maya completed drawing her picture? Look at this, Maya. No, no complete. Complete ಮಾಡಿದಾಳೆ ಏನಾದರೂ picture draw ಮಾಡಿದಾಳೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಯಾ ಇನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ. So answer is no. Next, what is displayed on the wall? Look at this, children. Apple, ball, and flower. What is displayed on the wall? Apple, ball, and flower. Okay. Next, 10th one. What can you see on the teacher's table? What can you see on the teacher's table? Okay. Look at, children. Duster, chalk, book, scissor, and glue. Okay. Duster, chalk, book, scissor, and glue. My art room. Look at this, children. First one is, where are the children and their teacher? This is classroom, right, children? Yes. Okay. Where are the children and their teacher? In classroom. Okay. Next one, which pictures are drawn on the board? Which pictures drawn on the board? Apple. Apple. Okay. Next, which letters match the pictures drawn on the board? A, P, P, L, E, apple. A, P, P, L, E, apple. Next one, how many children can you see in the picture? How many children? Look at here, children. Sarah, Ron, Tara, Ria, Maya, Ran, and John. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. There are 7 children. Sarah, Ron, Tara, Ria, Maya, Ran, and John. There are 7 children. Okay. Next one. What is Tara doing? What is Tara doing? Tara. Tara is coloring the picture. Tara is coloring the picture. Next. How many pictures of an apple can you see? How many pictures? Look at children. How many? 1, 2, count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 apples. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 apples. Okay. Next. What is Ron using the glue for? What is the Ron using the glue for? Where is Ron? Ron here, no children. Ron is using the Ron is using glue for pasting the picture, pasting the apple picture. Sorry. Ron is using glue for pasting the apple picture. Okay. Next. Has Maya completed drawing her picture? ನೋಡ್ರಿ Maya complete ಮಾಡಿದಾಳ ಏನಾದರೂ draw ಮಾಡಿದಾಳ complete ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ. So no. Next one is what is displayed on the wall? What is displayed on the wall? ಗೋಡೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನ್ display ಆಗಿದಾವ ಯಾವ pictures? Apple, ball, and flower. Apple, ball, and flower. Next, what can you see on the teacher's table? Teacher's table ಏನ್ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದಾವೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? Duster, chalk, book, scissor, and glue. Okay, duster, chalk, book, scissor, and glue. Okay. Okay, children, you all practice this at home, children. Okay, next, you all open phonics book. Phonics book. Last class ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು A family study ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಲ್ವಾ? A family. Okay. Now we are going to learn E family and I family. Okay. ಫೋನಿಕ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಯಾವ ಟೈಪ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? how to we will use a. Okay, then e sound is a, e sound is a, and I sound is e, I sound is e, a e, a sound ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಟೈಪ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ? apple, ambulance, alligator. Okay, next e sound ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎ ಬರ್ತದೆ. envelope, elephant, egg. Okay, next I sound. I sound ಹೇಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಇ. I sound ಏನು? ಇ. Okay, ಇ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಅಂದ್ರೆ igloo, ice cream. ಓಕೆ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ಈಗ ಎ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿನ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಲ್ವಾ, ಇವಾಗ ಇ ಮತ್ತೆ ಐ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿನ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, now we will start E family and I family. Okay, you all open this page, page number 16 and 17. First, E family. Okay, the E family. The E family. Look at the pictures and read the words. Okay, eat at. You all repeat after me, children. Eat at. Eat at. Eat at. P-E-T. P sound is P. E-T at. P at. Pet. P at. Pet. P at. Pet. P-E-T. Pet. P-E-T. Pet. Next. Yan. E-T. N sound is N. N sound is N. N at. N at. Nan. N-E-T. Nan. Next. E-N-N. E-N-N. D-E-N. D sound is D N. D and Den. D-E-N. Den. Next. H-E-N. H sound is H. H and hen. H and hen. H-E-N. Hen. Next. Egg. E-G. Egg. E-G. Egg. E-G. Egg. L-E-G. L sound is L. Egg. L. Egg. Leg. L. Egg. Leg. L-E-G. Leg. Next one is P-E-G. P sound is P. P sound is P. Egg. P. Egg. Peg. Peg. P-E-G. Peg. Next, egg. E-D. Egg. E-D. Egg. B-E-D. B sound is B. Egg. B. Egg. Bed. B-E-D. Bed. B-E-D. Bed. Next, R-E-D. R sound is R. Egg. R. Egg. Red. R-E-D. Red. Next, E-B. Ab. E-B. Ab. W-E-B. W sound is W. W. Ab. W. Ab. Web. W-E-B. Web. Web. Okay. Next. At, and, egg, add, ab. P-E-T. Pad. N-E-T. Nat. D and Dan. H-E-N. Hand. Next, egg. L-E-G. Leg. P-E-G. Peg. Egg. B-E-D. Bed. D-E-D. Bed. R-E-D. Red. Next, ab. W-E-B. Web. Write the word for the objects. Write the word for the objects. This one is jet. This one is jet. Okay. J E T. Jet. J E T. Jet. J E T. Jet. You all repeat after me, children. J E T. Jet. Okay. Next, this one is keg. This one is keg. K-E-G. Keg. K-E-G. Keg. Next, this one is pen. P-E-N. Pen. P-E-N. Pen. This one is bag. B-E-D. Bag. B-E-D. Bag. Jet, keg, pen, bag. Next, the I family. I sound is E. Igloo, ink, ink pot, ice cream. Okay. Look at the pictures and read the words. IT, it. IT, it. IT, it. KIT. K sound is the it. The it, kid. The it, kid. KIT, kid. Next, SIT. Yes sound is the it. The it, set. The it, set. SIT, set. KIT, kid. SIT, set. Iron, in. Iron, in. Iron, in. B-I-N. B sound is B-in. B-in, bin. B-I-N, bin. Next, B-in. P-I-N. P sound is P-in. P-in, pin. P-I-N, pin. P-I-N, pin. Bin, pin. Next, I-G, ig. I-G, ig. W-I-G. W sound is W. W-ig. Big. W-I-G. Big. Next, F-I-G. F sound is F-ig. Big. W-I-G. Big. F-I-G. Big. Next, I-P. Ip. I-P. Ip. L-I-P. L sound is L. Ip. Ip, lip. L-I-P, lip. L-I-P, lip. Next, Z-I-P. Z sound is Z. Z sound is Z. Z-I-P, zip. Z-I-P, zip. L-I-P, lip. Z-I-P, zip. Next, idge. I-D, idge. K-I-D. K sound is the id. The it, kid. K-I-D, kid. K-I-D, kid. Next, H-I-D. H-I-D. Sorry, children. I-D, id. I-D, id. K-I-D. K sound is the id. Kid. K-I-D, kid. Next, H-I-D. H sound is ha. Ha, id. Ha, id, hid. H-I-D, hid. Okay. Hid, hid. Next, I-X. I-X, X. I-X, X. M-I-X. M sound is ma-X. Ma-X. Mix. M-I-X. Mix. Next, S-I-X. S sound is S-X. S-X. Six. S-I-X. Six. M-I-X mix. S-I-X. Six. Okay. Next. Name the object and complete the word. Name the object. Name the objects and complete the word. Okay. This one is fit. Fit. F-I-T. Fit. F-I-T. Fit. F-I-T. Fit. F-I-T. Fit. Next. This one is tin. T-I-N. Tin. T-I-N. Tin. T-I-N. Tin. Next. Sip. S-I-P. Sip. S-I-P. Sip. S-I-P. Sip. Next. L-I-D. Lid. L-I-D. Lid. L-I-D. Lid. F-I-T. Fit. T-I-N. Tin. S-I-P. Sip. L-I-D. Lid. F-I-T. Fit. T-I-N. Tin. T-I-N. Tin. S-I-P. Sip. L-I-D. Lid. F-I-T. Fit. T-I-N. Tin. S-I-P. Sip. L-I-D. Lid. Okay, children, you all practice these at home, children. Okay, okay, children. This is enough for today's class. Children, we will meet in next class. Okay. ಇವತ್ತು ಯಾವ್ದು ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು? ಫ್ಯಾನ್ಸಿ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಫ್ಯಾನ್ಸಿ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಅಪ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು 5 ಲೈನ್, ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಒಂದು 5 ಲೈನ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಒಂದು 2 ಲೈನ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ನೀವು ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ. ಇವಾಗ ಕೃತಿ, ಅಮೋ, ಆರಾಧ್ಯ, ಅದಿತಿ, ಮತ್ತ ಪ್ರಣವ್ ಪವಾಡ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ, ಪ್ರಣವ್ ಕುಂಬಾರ್ ಎಲ್ರು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದಾರೆ, ಸೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರೆ. ನಾನು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಫೋಟೋಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಫೋಟೋಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಎರಡೂನು ಸೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರೆ. ನೀವು ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ತನ ಎಲ್ರು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ ಸರ್, ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಲ್ವಾ? ಪ್ರಣವ್,
ಎಲ್ಲ ಓಕೆ ಮಿಸ್ ಅಂತ
ಎಲ್ರು ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ತನ ನೀವು ಫ್ಯಾನ್ಸಿ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಫ್ಯಾನ್ಸಿ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಏನಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು 2 ಲೈನ್, ಒಂದು 5 ಲೈನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ 5 ಲೈನ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರು ಒಂದು 2-3 ಲೈನ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಇವಾಗ ಕೃತಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಪ್ರಣವ್ ಪವಾಡ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಪ್ರಣವ್ ಕುಂಬಾರ್, ಆದಿತ್ಯ, ಆರಾಧ್ಯ, ಅಮೋ ಬಹಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ತನ ನಾನು ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಎಲ್ರು ಸೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ, ಬಾಯ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ಬಾಯ್ ಬಾಯ್.